Alright, a very good morning guys. This is Chasing Nirvana. Alright, this is Chasing Nirvana, vlogging from Hyderabad, and this is my new mic setup. I know I'm excited how the output turns out, but you know, it's been long coming that I wanted to, you know, switch to a better audio output while vlogging. I think it's the need of an hour, and though I'm pretty late, but better late than never, right? So right now I have installed my GoPro with the Action Pro GoPro case, the GoPro mic adapter, and a lavalier mic. So let's see how things turn out. Although right now my visor is open, so there is a possibility that there will be certain wind noise, a little bit of wind noise, but I think I'm gonna shut the visor and check how the audio turns out and what difference does it make. Alright guys, you know, although I have a habit of keeping my visor open, helmet visor open, and riding, because I feel a bit claustrophobic. I wouldn't say I feel claustrophobic, but that's how I really like riding. You know, I like the wind crashing on my face, and that's something that really makes me happy. It's been a month and almost 2 weeks in Hyderabad. I think it's more than 2 weeks, and things are good here actually. But I do miss Thane, I do miss Mumbai, I do miss home. No matter how good the city is, you know, you won't really feel at home unless there are, you know, familiar faces, your family, and your good old places that you used to visit. Again, the Hyderabad traffic is worse than Mumbai, to be really honest. You know, people ride as if there is no tomorrow. People have absolutely no discipline or etiquettes, traffic etiquettes. Now, for a moment, I actually thought that my keys are at the top box. See, the guy has no side view mirrors, absolutely no side view mirrors. This is the case in Hyderabad. So most of the two-wheelers have no side view mirrors, and that's really scary for other motorists, especially for me. That's not the case in Mumbai though. I don't know why they don't use the side view mirrors. So yeah, I'm almost nearing my destination. That's my office. अन्ना अभी घुसोगे क्या अंदर? And it's really crazy how people even navigate here.